Good morning! Ano ba yan? Lumipad yung ibon sa likod ko. Kasi di ba yung sa wreath namin, may ibon na nangitlog. So may mga itlog doon. So ito, ayan, ang dami ko ng calamansi. Kailangan ko ng pitasin. Ang lalaki na niya, oh. Tapos mayroon pang maliliit. Doon sa likod, mayroon din. Ayun, oh. Ayan guys, good morning. So pupunta tayo later sa Asian store. Not the ordinary Asian store, hindi yung Korean store, yung Asian store lang nung bahay namin. So may titignan lang ako. Ito yung mabangong bulaklak. So ayan, hanggang doon yung amin, hanggang doon yung lupa namin. Hindi namin pa napaputol yung mga puno kasi si husband gustong-gusto niya yung maraming puno. So which is ako rin gusto ko yung maraming puno kasi mahangin. So papakita ko sa inyo to. Hindi pa namulaklak yung ibang mga bulaklak. Mayroong isa doon, parang gusto ko nga pitasin kaso yun lang ang bulaklak niya. Uy, may lumalaw dun, sana hindi ahas. Ibon. So ito yung bahay namin is may dalawang ganito, compressor yata tawag nila. Yan. Ito yung bago, itong maliit na yan. Ito yung luma. So this past few days nagkakaproblema kami, no. Una, yung water tank namin nasira yung water tank namin. Walang lumalabas na water, na heat, na mainit na tubig. Guys, hindi ka dito makasurvive nang wala kang mainit na tubig. I mean, ako siguro, pero pag winter na, I don't think na makakasurvive ka ng walang mainit na tubig. So, kaya pinagawa namin siya. So, pinagawa namin yung water heater namin. Alam nyo ba, umabot siya ng $3,000. So, binayaran namin siya ng, tingnan nyo yung papatanggal na nga namin yun eh. Binayaran namin siya ng $3,000 plus. So, parang 3,500. After 2 days, mainit dito ngayon sa kung nasan kami. Umaabot siya ng 90 degree, 100 degree Fahrenheit. So, hindi ko alam sa yun, sa Celsius. So, hindi gumagana ngayon yung aircon. So, pinapunta namin yung nagche-check. Oh my goodness. Sira daw yung buong motherboard ng AC and nung pang AC at nung heater. So, alam nyo ba kung magkano ang estimate? $10,000. Yes, kalahating milyon para ipagawa yung motherboard. Hindi pa kasama yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na compressor, which is that one's gonna range around $3,000 to $5,000. But hindi naman yun ang sira. Last few days nasisira-sira na rin siya, or months pala. So pinapagawa lang namin siya ng pinapagawa kasi nga mahal. Akala ko yun naman ang $10,000. Parang hindi naman pala. Parang yun is $3,000 to $5,000 lang ata. So pinapagawa lang namin yung compressor, which umaabot kami ng mga $500, $800 every pagawa. Kailangan na daw kasing palitan. Ngayon, ang bumigay na yung pinakamalaking unit. Yung furnace ata tawag nila doon. So, ang hirap magkabahay dahil dito pag fall season, yung mga dahon nahuhulog. So, pag nahulog siya, nahuhulog dun sa alulod. Punong-puno ng dahon yung aming alulod. So, nagpa-schedule kami ng palinis, which is $190. Yeah. So, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Kung kailan naman naghulog tayo ng lupa, saka naman nagsimula yung mga bayarin na to. But anyway, kasi yung water tank na nasira yung heater is 10 years old. And yun lang ang lifespan nila, 10 years lang. Tapos, hindi na pa, siguro nung nakuha namin yung bahay is 8 years na. 8 years old na yung tank or 7 or who knows. Hindi ko na, nakalimutan ko na. I know nasa contract yon. And then, yung heater alam namin pasira na siya. O hindi naman pasira. End na ng niya, ng life niya. So, pero hindi kami prepared this year. So, yan. Yan ang disadvantage pag may sarili kang bahay. Kasi, kailangan may ipon ka, may pera ka pang paggawa. Paano kung wala kaming pera? Paano kung wala kaming mga perang pampagawa nung HVAC, nung mga heater, yung aircon, yung tangke, paano na yun? Tapos may na-discover pang leak doon sa lababo doon sa basement. I can't. So, yeah, mga disadvantage ng may bahay. No, may sariling bahay. So, kung umuupa ka, hindi mo naisipin. So hot. Na-stress siya kasi ang daming gastos. Too many. Oh, there's a lizard. Over there, in the side of our house. Over there. Yeah, too many. What do you call that? I know. Oh. Then we have to put the car on, you know, we have to put the never ends, the gastos. What do you call that in gastos? Bills. Ay, ang init. Anak nang to. Then we go to the supermarket. It goes like how much? And then one person, because I posted a comment, I posted a video like how much. When we went somewhere to buy something, and we spend like how much? $127, $65 for the burger. And she said like we're overreacting about the.
Really?
We're overreacting about how much we spent. Yeah, she said like, I don't know how she did it, but whoever is that, they said like, oh, that's 127 times 4, that's 508 a month. Like 500.
That's one day.
That's one day. It's not even the whole food the whole day. It's just the dinner. So yeah, I don't know. People are just
everybody has like they just wanna say nasty things.
Yeah, I know. I just forget about it too because he doesn't pay our bills anyway. Kasama yung nanay ko. Kaso ayaw niya. Sabi niya hindi naman daw siya gagawa ngayon ng tawag doon ng pickled papaya. Atsara. Sabi niya next time na lang daw. Sige, sabi ko. Akala ko gusto niya. So, tayo na lang ang pupunta doon sa Asian store. So, bihira lang kami pupunta dito sa Asian store na to kasi malayo sa amin. Actually, hindi naman siya malayo. 30 minutes. Pero kasi may mas malapit. So, we're in the Filipino restaurant. He ordered menudo. I ordered this ginataan. And then he ordered the banh mi. But it's a ham. It's not a grilled pork. No. This is the one. I think this is the one. So, that's so good. Okay. There's one. Pounds, chirimoya. Probably gonna get. This is like very good. You have to wait for it to ripe. Yeah, with a lot of seeds. You want it too? Okay. Oh, you can put them together. Maybe just 2 for now. That's cactus. Chayote con espina. It's like a chayote. You know those chayote? Yeah, look at the eggplant. It's so tiny. I saw one recipe for this. They fry it and they... And Ate Angie got.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, no. Hold on. Look at this one.
Yeah, coconut.
Hurricane.
That looks like it's very brown.
Could be your weed in the backyard. Like, ito yung crop nila. Oh yeah. Do you think the lobster is much cheaper? It's gone, look. What are those fish? I know. Oh, sorry, baby. Smells like it doesn't taste well. It smells like piper. Do you want it?
I don't know. I don't know. It's okay, but I don't know if they're good or not.
I know.
They taste good when they're cooked like that. Scallop. I don't know what that is. That's kind of like a conch shell, so maybe it's like
Yeah.
a live conch.
Really wild?
It says it's wild, so it's huge. Wow.
I've never seen a tilapia that big. It's not plastic, huh? It's okay. Here, I got it. Oh, you want that? That she still has Hello Fresh.
$4.99.
What about in World Market? It's
It's like,
expensive.
yeah, it's like
$10.
$10.
$10, right? They have sky plates. They have this.
They don't have one of these by here.
I know. You have to come here. Beep beep.
Maybe your mom. Remember she wanted something.
Really? Okay, I'll get one for her. White rabbit. Is this the one you eat the wrapper?
Oh, yeah?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know if that's the one.
Is that for me?
Nana Handy. Ano pa? Sweet corn. They have durian dessert.
If you have a party.
Oh, they have Kit Kat. Oh. Oh man. Can we go back here one time? Fruit. Like frozen stuff. Like, yeah. Date sa ating cart. And De La Rosa. I think that's mga candies. Ito na yung cart natin. Like piñatas over there. And that we're getting in somewhere. It was like canola. Right?
Here. Oh, that's
Mga coffee. Yung iba, ito ang ano nila. Ang pang... Oh, that's so cute. Ang cute oh, ang liit. Condense. Oh.
cereal.
Guyabana. Yeah, Guyabano. We call it Guyabano. Sour sop. No, see this. That's so cute. Ito yung bayong na sa Pilipinas pag mamamalengke. What's that? Honey, we have that in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one?
Yeah.
What about that?
This is where you...
Put your feet?
Yeah. No, just kidding. This is where you like mix the food if there's a lot.
Should put a...
When we're selling drinks,
Yeah.
do you use that?
You know where to get a big pot.
Look at this. This is for the, I think, that's cute. For the tea. Yeah, oh, steamer. Look, this is one. Look, it's good for if you have a
Yeah, should make it
business or like the embutido my mom's making.
it's like,
Tamales. Oh, coffee grinder. Oh, look at this. Look at this, baby. Look at these pots.
Are you cooking that?
I don't know. Look at this.
Yeah. Roscoe bean pot.
Oh.
Beans in it.
Oh, okay.
That way, cooking for a long time.
Maybe. It's a basin. Ito, laba-laba na. May gusto maglaba-laba. So funny. Ang daming mabibili. They found a good Caesar again. This is a good walk.
How big is your stove? Pot like that.
What are you gonna use for that?
You got a restaurant?
Okay. Oh, this is like what? A molder? Oh, okay. Oh, look. What's this? Strainer? Oh, ha, tabo. I need a new tabo.
You use that for like...
This one? Oh, that's true. You can get it. Oh, there's tambo in here. Well, my mom has one. Should I get one? May tambo. May ting-ting din. What is ting-ting? That's a ting-ting. You do this. Yeah, like just like this, but it's a ting-ting. You use it. Oh yeah. It's a chocolate. Oh my god. Yeah. Orange cream, coffee cream, hazelnut cream. Like all chocolates, imported chocolates. Sweden. Milka. Wait, why is it like that? Oh, it's sugar up. House in the so funny. Guys, it's so hot. me. It's okay. So it's hot. It's a lot of people, and then we spent like 107, right? But we didn't 101. But what do you call that? It's just only for sinigang. Ayan, oh. It's only for sinigang. So it's for tonight, and then we ate. So for lunch, hindi ko naman alam na gusto niya palang kumain ng Filipino food. Okay. Dito na lang. Bye. Kumusta kayo? Okay, thank you.